In this video, we're going to talk about corona and corony. Corona is singular, where corony is plural. If you see more than one corona, then you have corony. Three different definitions can be applied for corona. Unfortunately, astronomy has the largest vocabulary, and we start to reuse words. Corona is a good example, and we have three examples here of what we mean by corona applying to three different things. The most common definition is number one, the hottest low density and outer layer of a star's atmosphere. For example, the sun's corona temperature is around 1 million Kelvin, and this corona emits X-rays. The second definition, in planetary geology, corona is oval features on surfaces that may be caused by upwelling of fluids. And the third definition, around the moon by eye, or less common, around the sun as seen using an instrument, alternating dark and light rings or colored rings are seen when observing through a stratiform cloud containing water droplets. Let's look at these three definitions. So here is a cartoon drawing of the sun's layers. The outer layer is an atmospheric layer called corona. The surface layer, that yellow layer that you see, is called the photosphere. Above this yellow layer is this pink layer, and that's called the chromosphere. And then this area that you see that's in this jagged outer edge is the corona. Corona in Greek means crown, and it kind of looked like to them of a crown, so hence the name corona. Now here they colored it this brownish color, but in real life, the corona, as seen in a total solar eclipse, appears this white color. Here we're looking at 7 images taken of the sun during a total solar eclipse, and they were photoshopped on top of one another. And each image was taken about 2 seconds apart. They were photoshopped, and you can see this crown coming out. This beautiful image taken during a total solar eclipse. This is what we mean by a corona. The outer layer coming out from the sun. And this is usually the highest temperature layer of around 1 million Kelvin. And this is where we get X-rays coming out. Now, luckily for Earth's atmosphere, it absorbs these solar X-rays that are coming out of the corona. So we don't have to worry about it too much as long as we stay on the surface land of the Earth. Let's look at the second definition. The second definition was these oval features seen on land, and we're looking in this case at Venus. So here we see this oval feature. Miranda, a small moon, also has these corona, and Miranda's a moon in our solar system. So this oval feature is what we're looking at, and that's the corona, and it's a geological term. The third one is when you look up sometimes in the night sky and there is a cloud layer between you and the moon, and that cloud layer has water droplets on it. And what you end up seeing is these rings or halos around the moon. That's what we refer to as a lunar corona or a moon corona. So these are the three definitions, unique definitions, where we apply corona to it. And this is by no means the end of the types of examples of corona, but this is 3 examples in astronomy.